Morning, everyone. So, just a quick update on the shingle roof, wood shingle roof. Can you see that? Looks beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. And the only reason I'm showing this is because some assholes on YouTube just chewing me up that this is gonna leak. I don't know what I'm doing. Look at that. It has been raining for 3 days here. Storm after storm after storm. Look at that shit, it's dry. These little guys are sold. Somebody from Pittsburgh's coming to get them. Mama, she lost all her babies. Pretty sure these guys are getting butchered soon. Hold on, I'll walk down to the other ones. These guys are all doing good. They're a little small yet, I think, to be butchered, but soon. Look at these little cuties. Can you see them in there? Hold on. Watch out, Mama. Look at all these little cuties. Oh my. If these blemishes don't get sold, they're going to go in the freezer. This mama is an attack mom. Holy. But we still don't know how many's in here. There must be 10, 15 in there. Wow. This one, let me see. Don't attack me, Mom. Look at those little cuties. Ha! Hang on. Look at all these little cuties. There's the dad to a lot of them. She just had babies today. Don't know how many's in there. She's an attack mom. Nothing there. Butcher. Butcher. And then this mom, we don't know how many's in there, but there's a ton of them in there. So, and she's kind of an attack mom too. But anyways, that's the update on the farm today. I got some roosters to put in, and the goats are out here being a total pain in the ass. So, what is he doing? Oh my God, I gotta go.